Hi, let's see what we are going to create. This slide is looking great. Let's try to create it very fast. Okay, it has 2 points. At first, we need to add a new slide. In our new slide, we need to add our circles, 1. And after creating that, we need to put it here. But you see, we have a little problem. So how we can put it here? You see, some of you can't put it here by the hand. We have a way for doing that. How? It's really easy. We need to align the shape in the center. This is some trick you maybe don't use full, or maybe you can use it. It's up to you, not up to me. After making in the middle, create a rectangle like this. And then bring it up and bring it down. Then bring this thing to front and hold it until the back of it touch the rectangle. It's good. Now we delete them. Your shape is created, you can see. Okay, now we select these 2 shapes. We go to shape format and we align them middle. No, align them center. After that, set the shape outline to none. We need to color them up. Before coloring, I'm going to give them some shadow. For the shadow, it's important to give each one of them a unique shadow. For that, we go here and give it some down shadow, bottom, and give it some up shadow, and then select both of them and increase the size of the shadow a little, and also a blurriness. The angle is good, and the distance is also great. I'm not going to miss with the distance. And then we need to color them up. For the color, let's go with this color. This green is great. And also this color. Okay, now we need to put the text. This text is Overdrive Sunset as a font. And in the text option, we use the gradient field. For the gradient field, we can change the color. For example, this blue. And also here, I'm going to use this yellow. But you see, the problem is you must create that. Okay, we create it. Now we need to increase it in size. Sorry. Okay, we increase it in size. Bring this up. But you see, the problem is that when the color of this text is same as the color we have, we can't see that. For that, we change this green to dark blue or this color. It's good. Now we copy that, increase it in size, bring this top, and then paste the text. Paste the text. Okay, copy that one more time, but before that we bring this 2 things to front, increase the size, copy the text, paste it here. Now set the transition to more, and your slide is ready. I hope you enjoy it. If you like it, tell me in the comments, and have a nice night.